Okay, here are 3 more examples, and these ones are a little bit more sophisticated, I guess. But you really don't change very much. Now to go from a fraction to a decimal here, there's 2 ways I could do it. The first way is just to leave this whole number alone, because it's like I have 1 whole pizza and 3/5 of another one. So I'm going to have 1 whole pizza, decimal, part of another one. And to get the decimal, I just do the same as what I've always been doing. Top divided by bottom of my fraction. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. Or I could back here make this into a proper fraction. So 1 times 5 plus 3 is 8/5, and then go 8 divided by 5, and that would give you 1.6. Both ways work. And then to get a percent, I multiply by 100, and I get 160%. And that makes sense because it's more than 100%, because 100% is 1. So more than 1 is going to be more than 100%. Okay? And then to go back here, I would have 160 over 100, okay, way back here, which would give me 16 over 10. And lowest terms, way back over here, that would be, what would be 8 over 5, right? We've already done that, 8 over 5, and then I can convert that to 1 3/5, right? Now what if I start here, 1.2? Well, I times it by 100, and I get 120%, okay, which would equal 120 over 100 divided by 10, and I get 12 over 10. So I can come back here, 12 over 10, divide by 2 again, and I would get 6 over 5, and then convert it to a mixed number. So 5 goes into 6 one time, 1 remaining, and there's my answer. Now this one's a challenging one because it's really small. 0.42%, that's like less than half of 1%. But I still do the same thing, right? I do 0.42 over 100. Whenever I get rid of this percent sign, I have to put it over 100. Now this looks weird, 0.42 over 100, but we can make it look less weird, more acceptable. And the way I do that is I times by 100 or 10 or by 1,000, whatever I need to get rid of this decimal. I move it 2 decimals places to the right, which is the same as timesing by 100. And if I do that to the top to make an equivalent fraction, I need to do that to the bottom. So what I end up with is, if I move this 2 places to the right, I have 42 on the top over 10,000 on the bottom. And then you can see that that's not in lowest terms. This can be divided by 2 and I get 21. This can be divided by 2 and I get 5,000. So my answer is 21 over 5,000, right? So to go from here to here now, I just divide 42 over 10,000 or 21 over 5,000, and I get 0.0042, a very small little number. Okay, that's it.